Okay, the Spring Classic just started. We're having a safe takeoff. 260 some fishermen out there, and fisherwomen. And things are going smooth so far.
Was that like
a lot of boats out there.
Hey,
Nice safe takeoff for day 2 of the Spring Classic.
oh, Greg around. He knows where they're at. Gonna make it.
Awesome.
Any closer than that?
Yeah, quarter